Medidenta's Turbo Torque 1200 uses innovative design and the highest quality parts with one thought in mind: performance. The Turbo Torque 1200 is a lightweight balance and ergonomic high-speed that is fixed with an industry-standard 4-hole configuration. It features a compact head, ideal for smaller mouths and access in the posterior region. The multi-port water spray delivers precise water spray to the burr and tooth surface, effectively cooling and cleaning the worksite. The TT1200 is equipped with a push-button chuck for a one-touch burr insertion and removal. This chucking system also boasts a 10-pound retention force, eliminating the risk of burr slippage, ensuring patient and doctor safety. The innovative impeller design allows air to be guided by a special asymmetrical impeller to speed up exhaust flow and reduce vibration while producing a massive 20 watts of power, making the Turbo Torque 1200 the office workhorse of choice.